Yes guys, sa Davao lang niya siya. This is Mian Mian Ice, the Chinese version of snow milk ice, just like bingsu. If mahilig mong ice scramble, then you should try this because this is the Chinese style ice scramble. This is available at Mian Mian Ice Scramble Shop at Cabaguio Avenue. It's the newest dessert cafe in Davao City. This is their cafe guy and tent themed or desert themed ang ilahang interior. You can come here any time of the day, pwede sa afternoon or after dinner. What I like about Mian Mian Ice is dili siya plain milk but naagi flavor ang ilahang ice mixture. They have different kinds of varieties just like this regular Mian Mian Ice. Napod sila mousse shaved snow. And they also have this handheld ice where you can just hold your cup and take it on the go. Compared to all the shaved ice desserts I have tried, I could say this is by far my favorite, more than